Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for FanDuel step by step. First, go to the FanDuel Sportsbook website on your computer or open the FanDuel Sportsbook app on your iOS or Android device. Once you're on the site or app, tap Sign Up or Create Account. Next, enter your personal information including your full name, date of birth, address, and phone number. Make sure all information matches your government-issued ID. Then, create a username and secure password for your account. Read through FanDuel's terms of use and privacy policy and check the boxes to agree. After this, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could include confirming your phone number, email, or last 4 digits of your social security number, depending on your location. Once verified, your FanDuel account is ready. You can now make deposits, claim promotions, and start placing bets or joining fantasy contests. And that's it. Signing up for FanDuel is quick and easy once you have your personal information ready. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.